name's Lisa Frost, if you don't know who I am. I'm a landscape photographer. I live on the Gold Coast, Australia, and I thought I'd share... Oh gee, something dead around here. Oh nice. Okay, got past that. Yeah. Share some of the beautiful places that I go to take some of my landscape photos. Now, I'm currently in one of my favourite spots, which is Springbrook National Park. Today I'm going to check out a waterfall I've never been to before. It's quite hot. It's I'd say probably about 31-32 degrees and quite humid. It's a little bit cooler than it was at home, but still, yeah, not the best. I probably wouldn't normally go out when it's so hot because it's not the most fun in the world, but it's been really dry here, and just in the last week we've had quite a bit of rain, so I thought it's probably a good time to get it now. If I wait till February and March, we can end up having way too much rain. The waterfalls get too full, and quite often we end up with storms or tail ends of cyclones, and a lot of trees go down, and it can be difficult to get to the waterfalls too. So I thought I'd take my chance now. So, onward! It's so hot. I am sweating like, I don't know, something that sweats a lot. Although part of my wet back is because I had a bit of a fail on my camelback. Yes, I had a camelback fail. I hadn't closed the mouthpiece properly when I put it in the car, and 3/4 of it leaked out all over the place and all over the back of my backpack, which is okay because it's bloody hot. But it meant instead of having 2 litres, I had half a litre. Luckily I had a bottle, so I now have a litre, but not quite what I was planning. I smell like a sweaty shit. That's what a merino top does. A sweaty sheet. Okay, so we've reached the first waterfall. Of the walk, and as you can see, the path goes behind the waterfall, which, given how bloody hot it is, I think I'm going to really enjoy. But I am going to put my camera gear away first, particularly what I'm filming on RX100, because I don't think that will be very happy if it gets wet. So I'll see you on the other side. There are horseflies, or march flies if you prefer around. They are slightly different, I'm not sure which one they are. Both bloody annoying. I usually wait till you're in the middle of about to take a photo and then come and bite you. Sorry, one just zoomed past my head. made it to the falls. Bit of a scramble at the end. I don't know why, but whenever I look at maps and there's a path leading straight to a waterfall, I think that it's going to be straight to the waterfall. A lot of times it isn't. You need to go clambering over rocks and whatnot in order to get there. Anyway, I'm going to have a little scout around, probably have a sit down and have some lunch because I'm hungry, and it's about 12:30, and yeah, see what I can make of this and get a photo of it. There's a good amount of water. If it was much more, I think, if it was much more than this, I think it'd be too much, but I think it looks bang on. It is hot. hot. Alright, I'm set up now for taking a photo. I've just put on a 10-second timer because I need to put my hand over to block the sun from hitting the lens and causing some lens flare. And since I'm holding this with one hand, can't do that and take a photo at the same time. So, 10-second timer. Cover that. Nice. So I'll just turn you around. So this is the scene. I'm using a 16mm focal length at the moment, so it fits in from about there right through to this tree over here and down here. I think I've got a 1/5 of a second shutter speed to get still the water down a bit. I'll probably try a few different ones because depending on how fast the water's moving depends on what looks the best. But yeah, and I'm bracketing my exposures because it's quite even when the sun's going behind the clouds, it's still quite a bit of dynamic range, and you can usually recover a bit from your raw files more than what it shows you. Particularly I find I've got a 6D Mark II. The highlights, there's actually a bit in the highlights that you can recover that you don't think you can. But it's always better to be safe than sorry, so I can have the detail there if I need it. I'll probably try a couple of other compositions, just getting in a bit closer to the falls and having a look. But whatever I decide I like the best, I'll put up now and you can check it out. So I decided to get a little bit wet under the waterfall on the way back because it's so hot. So hot. And I had to leave fairly quickly because I need to get back to the coast. So it's a rapid walk back up to my car. Even with a very wet head, I still feel bloody hot. So I'm just driving back now. I had to rush a little bit leaving. I've got an appointment down at the Gold Coast, and it's amazing when you go out and take photos. You think you got heaps and heaps and heaps of time, and it just goes whoosh like that. So I'm now running a wee bit late, but no worries. I have got my air conditioning cranked as cold as it will go, and it's just starting to cool me down. Pretty much only because I've got really wet hair from the waterfall and all my body sweat. An ex-boyfriend once told me that women don't sweat, but it was pigs sweat, men perspire, and women feel the heat. Well, I can tell you I'm feeling the heat a lot today. So hopefully next time it's going to be a bit cooler. Alright, ciao for now. Every day people learn, you and me just wanna live naturally. Time taught you and you taught me, nothing gonna get us down. Can't you see? I said, if it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. No, 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 no. If it don't matter